YouTube channel. I am Rebiana. So today I have my celebrity hairstylist friend, Mr. Tokyo Bradshaw, you guys. He decided to come over to my house and do this look for you guys. So this is one of his favorite looks. We did a fringe bang with the half up, half down, top knot, and we did it straight, like a straight look for you guys. So Tokyo, can you tell us, like, what do you do and the celebrity hairstylist that you've already worked with before?
Okay, I'm Tokyo Bradshaw. I'm originally from Philadelphia, but I'm currently located in Atlanta. I worked with a ton of celebrities over the last couple years, from Erica Mena to K. Michelle to Keisha Cole to Jasmine Sullivan to Seven Streeter. The list goes on and on and on. And today we did one of my favorite looks, which is a half up, half down look, first of all, and then we added a fringe bang. I love half up, half downs because I really love showing diversity in hair and really just going for that cute, flirty, not so much girl next door, but you know, I kind of like can, you know, like just mysterious kind of hair. So I think we really pulled it off today. What do you think?
I think we did. And I'm also one of those YouTubers, you guys know I don't like perfect hair. And Tokyo, he
hates it. Like, yeah. I hate just like overdone hair. Like,
I installed my own wig, but he did style it for you guys. I am trying to bring different content to my YouTube channel, so I thought it was fun. And Thank you, Tokyo, for coming on my YouTube channel to do my hair.
I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back. If not, you guys can come over to my YouTube channel, which is Tokyo Bradshaw, or my Instagram, which is Tokyo Bradshaw, or my TikTok, which is Tokyo Bradshaw.
Oh my God.
Or my Twitter, which is Tokyo Bradshaw, or you can find me at IamTokyoBradshaw.com.
And I will link all of his information down below, you guys, in the description. Yeah, the fuck? It's not that serious. I'm not one of them phony people. It's not that deep.
No,
but yeah, I'm gonna link.
Asking for checks.
You already owe me one.
I do. No, but I really like the hair though. This hair was like really easy to work with, especially for it to be so full, and for me to be okay. You guys, let me tell you something about Rebiana. We gotta talk to her about these tools and products that she uses. I know that she is giving you girls the at home, but we need a like mixture of like at home hair, YouTube professionals, but like real professionals, because if this hair wasn't as great as it was, I wouldn't have got through it with these flat irons.
And
so I'm gonna get you a pair of flat irons.
My favorite. Great hair.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and get right into this video.
Let's go.
Thank you guys so much over at Alipearl Hair for sponsoring this hair video. They sent me over this 13x6 lace frontal body wave wig unit. The packaging came all pink and girly, so it gets an A+ from me because that's my favorite color. But I love the quality of this wig. Also, Tokyo loved it as well, and that's a really good thing to hear from him because he is a hairstylist, a professional hairstylist, and he also has his own hair company. So that's a really good thing to hear him say about this hair. So you guys are going to see me basically apply my wig unit. Tokyo, he didn't want to do this part, y'all. Like, he didn't, so I just opted to just do it by myself, and I know how I like my hair anyway, so I just did it myself. I love working with this lace, you guys. Like, it looks so good. I did tint it. I did not bleach the knots on this at all. I just used my foundation to tint it, and that's pretty much all I did. I also plucked the living daylights out of this wig unit. And the reason why I did it is because I knew that I was putting my hair up into a ponytail today. So I know that it has to be plucked a certain way when you're like trying to achieve the ponytail look, so it can look like it's coming right out of your scalp, which you guys would see the final results at the end. I am using my Ghost Bond Supreme hair glue. I got this from off of Amazon. I would try to link that down below. However, if I forget to, you guys can just type in Ghost Bond Supreme, and it is around $30 on Amazon, or you can get it from your local beauty supply store as well. I've done both. So hopefully you guys can get your hands on it during this quarantine. Listen, girl, my nails, my everything needs to be done. But anyways, you guys could see me apply this wig unit. I thought it was important to include this part because, girl, it laid, it melted, it looks so good. And I'm really impressed by the lace on this lace frontal. I also still have this lace wig on right now as I'm doing this voiceover, and I could say that it's not tangling and natty in the back, and my hair is still sleek and straight, and I honestly still have this hairstyle. Now it might be a little messy, like extremely messy, but girl, the style is still there. I love this hair. I've been running my fingers through it since I've had this hairstyle. So anyways, I love how I plucked this wig unit, you guys. Like, I wish I would have done like a, you know, no baby hair needed type of hair video, but now that I know like what to do and how to do it, that would be like a up and coming hair video that would be on my channel. So Tokyo, he is going to go ahead and part my hair into like a U shape. Basically, we're just prepping for the bang that I wanted, this fringe bang that I wanted. And you guys are going to see his techniques that he used to achieve my bang. He is a professional hairstylist, you guys, so he has his own techniques and the way he does things, but it's also pretty simple to where you guys can do it at home. So I wanted a fringe bang, meaning I wanted it to look sparse. I didn't want a blunt bang. So he's basically taking that piece and placing it in half, twisting the hair, and he's going to cut it, because that's going to like basically create like a layer of fleck. Like, it's going to blend well. He's also going to go ahead and frame the hair around my face. I have a chubbier face, and also this just looks better as well, especially when you go to straighten your hair, and it's going to look really, really well if you go to curl your hair as well. But that's pretty much all that I have. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys like watch and learn type of thing. I'm not going to talk through this whole thing, and towards the end of the video, you are going to go ahead and hear Tokyo speak about how he's styling my hair. done my baby hairs. I like my baby hairs a certain way, so I just did them myself. And then Tokyo is going to go ahead and style my hair for me. I wanted to do something a little different for you guys on my YouTube channel because y'all know I don't really do too much of like half up, half downs. I feel like that's more of like a stylist thing. So Tokyo's gonna do it for us. So come down, Tokyo. Come down, boo. Come down.
Oh, I just realized how tall I was. Hey.
Yeah.
You already got your part in the middle, right?
Is it?
Yeah. Okay. So what you want to do is just go from the back of the part and part down. This will make it easier for you if you're doing this at home by yourself.
Yeah. I'm gonna come down a little.
Yeah.
Okay, so y'all can see the pony and him doing it.
Y'all might do it different, but I don't like hair to be super, super neat or super, super perfect.
Me neither.
Okay, so and I don't like it to be looking super, super sprayed down. So one of the things that I do is spray the brush instead of spraying your hair. So we're just gonna brush this up. And we're gonna do one half at a time, just so we can know, we ain't get there yet, what portion of the hair we're pulling up. Boom. Turn to the left, the other way. That's the left, right? That's cool right there?
Mm-hmm.
This you have behind your ear. You want that down or up?
Oh, no, we're doing it all the way.
Okay, cool. We need to get extra frontal prime. It's not gonna work.
Ooh, bitch, I look cute.
That's cute, but she done.
Cause you cut off my hair.
Alright, so what we're gonna do now is add some extensions so that we can make our bun area much fuller, much bigger, so that this hair is proportionate. We're gonna go big or we're gonna go home, right?
Right.
So it's so easy. A lot of people overthink like a top knot. They overdo it, and it's really just as effortless as it looks. So we're gonna take our web, boom, and we're literally gonna just fold it in half, right? Then we're gonna take one bobby pin, boom, and literally just slide it right through. And it's gonna give us kind of like anchorage so that we can just really get through this quickly. Now I know a lot of people don't like a lot of bobby pins in their hair. It gives them a headache, and then when they start stacking up. So I try to use as few as possible. So I'm just gonna slide this in literally right underneath the rubber band on the back. As my co-stylist keep trimming her bangs.
Y'all know I'm a YouTube professional.
And then we're just going to wrap this right around.
And here are the rubber bands and bobby pins. And he's using the...
Just a standard bobby pin.
No, these are the tighter ones. You have to tell him it's a different.
No, this is a bobby pin. The other one is a hairpin. So just so you know, honey,
okay.
This is called the bobby pin.
Okay.
Say it with me, bobby pin.
This is a bobby pin.
The other ones are called hairpins.
The ones that are like
open.
Separate? Oh.
Yeah, that look like tweezers. Those are, do you have any of those?
No.
Okay.
They wasn't gonna work anyway. I think these are better because they're more secure.
All right,
I'm
so
about to do this YouTube hairstylist versus real hairstylist.
Baby, let's go.
Cause he's trying to tell me what to do.
No, I'm just trying to tell you what it is. All right, so after we had...
Y'all, we just playing.
She playing. Say no.
Because I know what to do.
All right, so now this is gonna go really fast, so make sure you guys paying attention, right? So after we have our hair and after we have our hair wrapped around our bun or our ponytail, now this is gonna go really quick. You literally just wrap, not like super tight like this, but just kind of give it a little twist, and that's how you begin. See that? This one's a little tighter. And just kind of
You
wrap.
trying to take my own lip gloss off? Damn.
You love this lip gloss. What
Listen,
lip gloss
it's
is
the
it?
perfect one for you brown skin girls, okay? It's the MAC Waster Girl lip glass.
Alright, as we throw it around, a couple sprays. And never spray like really close up because it's not gonna do anything. Boom. And just make your hair look hard and corny. Just gonna anchor this last little piece in. And boom. So don't worry about it looking super neat. It's a top knot. It's supposed to look effortless. It's supposed to just look like you just woke up and was like, oh, I want to do a bun, but I got a little bang on.
Oh my God.
And the gag about this whole thing is like, this is a frontal. So.
Period. Period.